Willpower is a precious gift that we all have within us. It's the fountain that springs with life and flows eternally through our lives. And when you truly understand it and learn to work with it, your life flourishes. To accomplish this, there are 7 steps that you must take. Are you ready? Okay, let's go. Step 1, increase goal clarity. This clarity is the base for creating a mindset that will propel you towards your goals. If individuals don't get this right, they use a lot of energy and a lot of willpower without moving their life forward. Step number 2, sequence your goals. No one can just jump out of their mother's womb and decide they're going to build a house. They have to learn to crawl, walk, swing hammers, measure, and understand how houses are constructed and reach several key goals before they can move into their dream house. Step 2 is about ensuring that sub-goals are identified, chunked into stages, and sequenced into an effective path. Step number 3, understand your energy flows. If you observe yourself closely, you will realize that your day is full of energy boosters and drainers. That is, things that give you energy and things that drain you of your energy. These are what cause your willpower pool to shrink or grow. Getting your energy flows balanced is a game changer. Step number 4, willpower efficiency strategies. There are 12 key willpower strategies that successful people use, usually without even being aware of them. Using these strategies to achieve your goals makes life easier and more enjoyable. Remember, doubling your willpower efficiency is the same as doubling your willpower pool, only it's much easier to do. Start by incorporating them into your path of your most important goal. Soon you will find yourself incorporating them into everything that you do. Step number 5, accountability framework. Many studies show that if you're in a healthy accountability partnership, it simply takes less willpower and less motivation to reach your goals. So get an accountability buddy and set up a 5-minute per week communication plan. You will find this really helps keep you on track. Step number 6, recruit your subconscious mind. In order to achieve your goals, you must have the right mindset, as the wrong mindset can overshadow all your other efforts. Remember, mindset is powerful. Step number 7, tracking and tactics. Always track your progress in small increments. You want to be giving yourself regular check marks for achievement as you go, and tactics ready for when you need extra motivation or need to avoid temptation. These are the 7 steps. Ready to achieve more using less willpower? Okay, let's go.